Hey guys, Wayne here from H2TechVideos. Today I'm going to be going over some hidden features on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. Let's jump right in. So for those of you that are new to Samsung phones, you probably didn't even know that Samsung comes with a really awesome feature that allows you to customize your phone and really make it unique to your interests and the things that you like. So it's called the Samsung Themes and it's built right into the phone. So just by holding down the home screen, you go to themes and they have a whole theme store that's built into the phone that will allow you to change your icons, your backgrounds, and again the overall theme of the phone. Let's allow there. So this is what the Samsung theme store looks like, and it's broken down by wallpapers. So if you just want to change the background of your phone, then you have full themes where not only is the background different, but it'll change like the stock app. So like the call app, the texting app, it changes everything. And then you have icons. So you can just change the style of your icons. So this is one of the icon packs here. This one is like really unique. Sometimes these are so unique that you can't even tell the difference between, you know, like, oh, I'm trying to find the phone app and like you can't find it because it's so unique. But it's just cool because it allows you to really make your phone unique to you. Sometimes like everyone in the family gets the same phone and it's hard to tell which phone is for which person. This is a great way just to distinguish your phone from everyone else's. There is paid content and there's free content. I always go for the free stuff because I'm just cheap. So let's tap on the free and see what's available in there. So like these are a ton of different icon packs you can choose from. We can go back here. Some of the different themes that are available. And this is great for people who like are really into sports. You can, you know, change your phone and have it, you know, all one sports theme, like one sports team. So like some teams right here. Right now everything is like Christmas and like fall or fall winter themed. You can theme it around games. Let me show you one of the packs here. So like, let's say you like this theme. We can tap on it to see what the pictures look like. These are what the icons look like, very simple. This is what your background is like, your lock screen, your calling app, your contacts, and your messages app, and your notification panel. So it changes everything. That's what I love about the themes is you can really make the phone unique by, you know, changing the theme. Some of you guys may like the theme that comes in the phone and maybe you just want to change the wallpaper. So go to the wallpaper section and you can just change the background. And the cool thing too is all the paid content, you can download a trial so you can actually see what it looks like on your phone. You can download it for like 10 minutes and then if you don't like it, you can, you know, it just switches back to whatever the main theme was. So anyway, that is the theme store and something you guys should all take advantage of for sure. Our next hidden feature is going to be called the secure folder, which allows you to hide things on your phone. Some people just have things that are private and they don't want people to have access to. So what you would do is swipe down from the top, pull down again, and go to your secure folder. This will allow you to secure different things on your phone. All right guys, for our next hidden feature, it's going to be centered around using two apps at one time, which is using the split screen feature. So for example, you could have a YouTube video playing. So we open up YouTube, go home, and then we could open up our messages app. You could have a message open, go home again. Now you're gonna go back to YouTube and let's find the video we want to play. So I'm gonna go to subscriptions and then let's tap on this video and then you will pause it. Now we're gonna hit recent apps and you're gonna tap on this little icon to the right of YouTube. This is your split screen icon. So it'll move YouTube up there and then I can add the second app at the bottom, which is messages. So now I can have 2 apps open at one time. I can be in a conversation texting someone, and I can also have a video playing at the same time. Turn the volume down so it's not so loud. So there we go. I have a video playing and actively in a conversation with someone. So this is just one of many things you can do with the phone. Again, you can also close this and have another app open. So if I hit recent apps, I can go to app list and I can pick a different app to be open at the same time. So you may want to have like Google Chrome open, for example, and while your video is playing, you could be looking up something online. So very common thing that people do, and it's just nice to be able to do it with, you know, while you have a video playing. Maybe you're trying to watch a movie or something. So that's how you use the split screen feature. When you're finished, all you're gonna do is hit recent apps again, and you're gonna go ahead and just start at the center here, put your finger down and just drag it down, and that will close out the second app and take you back into the single view there. And we're that easy out of the split screen function. So that is split screen. Our next hidden feature is another really good one for you. It's going to be how to do a pop-out video. So this is very similar to the split screen, but it's kind of cool too. It's a little bit different. So maybe you're watching a YouTube video and you want to continue to watch it, but you're doing some other stuff. Aside from doing a full split screen, you can do what's called a pop-out video. So I'm just going to hit the home button here. So basically open YouTube, make sure the video is playing, and then hit the home button. Now the YouTube video is still playing, and I can move this anywhere on the screen, and I can have other things going. So I could be in the Play Store, for example. I'm trying to find a new game to play. You can do that, and your video will continue to play in the corner, and you can move it to different parts of the phone. So really cool. Allows you to continue to listen to the video while doing other things. So definitely love that feature. When you're done, tap on the video. You can make it full screen again, pause it, or you can close it by hitting the X in the corner. And that's that. All right, guys, and our next and final hidden feature for this video is going to be how to hide notifications on your lock screen. So some people, when they unlock their phone, they don't want to see notifications, you know, different messages. They want just a clean screen on the front. I want to show you how to do that. So we're going to swipe. We're going to go home. We're going to swipe down, click on the settings wheel in the upper right corner. Go down to lock screen. And then we're going to go down to notifications, and we're just going to turn this off. So now when we unlock the phone, we just see a nice clean home screen. So you won't see text messages or emails or a million notifications from different apps. You'll just see a nice clean look when you unlock the phone. So I kind of like it. I take pride in having really nice wallpapers, and I hate when it's full of a bunch of crappy notifications. So just a really cool way to clean up your lock screen. So this has been the hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. We are working on a part 2 with more hidden features, so keep an eye out for that video. If you liked the video or found it helpful, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2TechVideos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.